In this video, we are going to see the problem related to Laplace equation. So first problem, determine whether or not the following potential satisfies the Laplace equation. What is your Laplace condition? Your Laplace condition is nothing but del square V will be equal to 0. So here the problem given is V is equal to x square minus y square plus z square. So for this equation, we have to satisfy the Laplace equation. So for that, we have to find del square V. So del square V will be equal to dou square V by dou x square plus dou square V by dou y square plus dou square V by dou z square. We are going to differentiate with respect to x, y and z. The V term with respect to x, y and z respectively. So first I have finished. So what we are going to write, dou square by dou x square into x square minus plus dou square by dou y square into minus y square plus dou square by dou z square into z square. So differentiating this with respect to x, y and z, you will be getting dou by dou x into 2x plus dou by dou y into minus 2y plus dou by dou z into 2z. So differentiating all this expression with respect to x, y and z, you will be getting 2. So here del square V is not equal to 0. So this condition is not going to satisfy your Laplace condition. Fine. The next problem. So the next problem we are going to see V is equal to R cos pi plus Z. So we are going to check whether this particular equation is going to satisfy the Laplace condition or not. So first we are going to find what the condition is, del square V is equal to 0. So for that we have to find dou square V by dou x square plus dou square V by dou y square plus dou square V by dou z square. So before that we are finding dou V by dou R, dou V by dou pi and dou V by dou z respectively. So dou V by dou R will be equal to dou by dou R, R cos pi plus Z. So here we are going to differentiate with respect to R. So only your cos pi term comes. Next dou V by dou pi. We are going to differentiate with respect to pi. So dou by dou pi into R cos pi plus Z. So R comes, only your cos pi, you're going to differentiate with respect to pi. So only your cos pi term change. So that is equal to minus R sin pi. And next is equal to dou V by dou Z. That is dou by dou Z R cos pi plus Z. So you are going to differentiate this expression with respect to Z. You will be getting the answer 1. In next step, you are going to find dou square V. We are going to find den square V. So del square V is equal to 1 by R dou by dou R dou V by dou R plus 1 by R square dou square V by dou pi square plus dou square V by dou Z square. This is for your cylindrical coordinates. Okay. So we are going to find 1 by R dou by dou R dou V by dou R. So this will be equal to 1 by R cos pi. And next what we are going to find, 1 by R square dou square V by dou pi square, and that will be equal to 1 by R square dou by dou pi into minus R sin pi. We are going to differentiate with respect to pi. Therefore you will be getting R cos pi. So minus sign will not get changed, so it remains the same. So your expression becomes 1 by R square into R minus R cos pi. So your R and R get cancelled and you will be getting the final term minus cos pi by R. And next we are going to find the third term, dou square V by dou Z square. So for that, dou by dou Z into 1 will be equal to 0. So therefore final expression del square V will be equal to 1 by R cos pi minus cos pi by R plus 0. When you are going to take LCM and solving the above equation, you will be getting 0. So this equation satisfies Laplace condition. Fine. Now let us go for the third thing. Third thing is in your spherical system. So we are going to use the function V is equal to R cos theta plus pi. So in spherical system, your Laplace condition del square V will be equal to 1 by r square dou by dou r square dou V by dou r plus 1 by r square sin theta dou by dou theta sin theta d dou v by dou theta plus 1 by r square sin square theta dou square v dou pi square. So first what we are going to find? We are going to find r square dou v by dou r square. So for that you will be writing r square dou by dou r into your expression r cos theta plus pi. So we are going to differentiate with respect to r. So you will be getting r square cos theta. And next what you are going to do? You are going to find the expression for sin theta dou v by dou theta. So sin theta written is like that, dou by dou theta into your v expression. V expression is nothing but r cos theta plus pi. So your sin theta remains the same. You are going to differentiate this particular expression with this within the bracket with respect to theta. So with respect to theta it will be changed as minus r sin theta. So your final expression becomes minus r sin square theta. And next what we are going to find? 1 by r sin square theta dou square v by dou pi square. So 1 by r square sin square theta dou square by dou pi square into your v term. So that will be equal to 1 by r square sin square theta dou by dou pi into 1, which will be equal to 0. So therefore writing all the terms we have found together. So del square v is equal to 1 by r square dou by dou r square cos theta plus 1 by r square sin theta dou by dou theta into minus r sin square theta. So this will be equal to 1 by r square. So we are going to differentiate your r square cos theta with respect to r. So you will be getting 2r cos theta. And next 1 by r square sin theta. You are going to differentiate your minus r sin square theta with respect to theta. So you will be getting minus r 2 sin theta cos theta. So simplifying the above expression, you will be getting a final term 2 by r cos theta minus 2 by r cos theta. So both terms get cancelled and you will be getting 0. Therefore your del square v will be equal to 0, and this satisfies your Laplace condition. And next problem, verify the potential field given below satisfies your Laplace equation or not. V is equal to 2x square minus 3y square plus z square. So the field it is in Cartesian form. Why? Because x, y, z term are there. So your condition is del square v is equal to 0. So del square v is equal to dou square v by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square plus dou square v by dou z square. So you are going to find each and everything with respect to x, y and z. So therefore dou square by dou x square into your expression 2x square minus 3y square plus z square plus dou square by dou y square into your expression 2x square minus 3y square plus z square plus the last expression dou square by dou z square 2x square minus 3y square plus z square. So differentiating with respect to x you will be getting 4x, and differentiating with respect to y you will be getting 6y, and differentiating with respect to z you will be getting 2z. Therefore you have to once again differentiate. Why? Because you are going to differentiate it for 2 times dou square. So if you differentiate for the second term, you will be getting with respect to x now you will be getting 4, with respect to y now you will be getting minus 6, with respect to z now you will be getting 2. So therefore you will be getting 4 minus 6 plus 2. So this will be equal to 0. So your del square v will be equal to 0. So this particular field is also satisfies your Laplace equation. Thank you.